In this tutorial, I show you how to schedule your posts on Instagram. It's easy, just keep watching. First thing you need to do it is go into Instagram and then go into your profile and then click on the three lines here and then you're gonna scroll down and then go into account type and tools. After you click on account type and tools, you're gonna click on switch to professional account. To schedule your posts on Instagram, you need to switch your account to professional. You're gonna click on next and then you're gonna select the type of your account, for example, blogger, and then you're gonna click on switch to professional account. And there you're gonna keep going to next and okay, continue. Here you got a professional account. Next step you need to do it is go into add a new post and then click on the post or the image that you need to schedule it and then next, and then here you're gonna click again on next and then you're gonna scroll down until you see more option. You're gonna click on more option and then you're gonna click on schedule your post and then you're gonna select here the time that you need to post this post in it and then you're gonna click on done and then you're gonna back here and click on schedule. After you click on schedule here, you're gonna see the post and this is the time that you selected. Thanks for watching.